What's good, folks? It's your boy Dookie. I wanted to bring y'all this quick case roundup for this phone right here. This the Xiaomi Mi A1. Everybody knows, if you've been checking my videos, you know recently I switched to this. I'm really loving it. I got the full review coming on it, so that'll be coming soon, where I'm gonna go over everything like I did the Blue, like we did the Honor 7X. I'm trying to see what's the best budget phone of the year. I got a couple cases for, I want to run through them, just show y'all guys what's up. We're gonna start with the one that's already on the phone. This is actually the case that I bought at the same time I picked the phone up. It's kind of like this fake leatherish type case, says autofocus right here. I feel like it fits the phone pretty good and does provide enough coverage for it. I've dropped it a few times. I think I just dropped it pretty much within the hour. I feel like it gave good protection on the sides and around it. It's pretty simple. If you like this whole fake leather style, then you know what's up. Yeah, let's put the phone up here. It came in this box right here with no real markings on the box. It just says for mobile phone. And you gotta realize a lot of these cases actually fit, just like you see right here, not just the Mi A1, but the 5X as well, because they have the same body size. Let's just run through these real quick and see what's going on with them. This is another one I picked up. It has one of those ring things on the back for you people who like to have the extra little stuff on the back. Yeah, let's see if we can get into here. It doesn't have any real marking. It just Mi A1 5X case. Doesn't have any real marking here on there. I picked these all up. I'm gonna make sure the links are down below so you guys can check them out if you have this phone. Let's see what we have here. So get that out the way. Dear valued customers, thanks for your purchase. This item has been sent with care. We never gonna look at that. If you are the type to put a strap on your phone, that comes with that. It's like a TPU case. You got this casing on the inside, semi-rubber, semi-flexible, all plastic. You got this glossy plastic here on the back. Then you have this ring here that can, be one of those like pop type things for you to hold it, or it can serve as a stand. Here, let's put the phone in here and see how well it fits. It fits pretty good. It fits pretty good. Yeah, I don't know how much I'd like that actual thing on the back. It provides a little bit of extra weight. This phone is kind of light. So, if you like your phone light, then that little bit of extra weight there probably won't be for you. Here, let's get that. Yeah. But it fits well. You can see all the cutouts are proper. Everything is pretty much standard and good to go. Let's try the volume. Yeah, volume is working. Could have a little more flex or actual buttony type feel. It's kind of mushy. Yeah, it works. It works. It's not amazing. Just for a little cheap case, it's not amazing, but it gets the job done. All right, I apologize if y'all hear any fan noise in the background. That's the air conditioning. It's still Texas. Yeah, I mean, this is, I could definitely see, for somebody younger, or if you just like having a stand with your phone, or having that type of pop filter thing on the back without having actually to stick something to the back of your phone. That's pretty cool. Not for me. It's not for me, but boom, your phone can do that. So I also picked up this. This is a case from B.A.N.G. This is their rugged armor for the Mi A1 5X. Looks pretty clean. B.A.N.G. usually comes with quality cases. So let's pop this open. That out of here. Okay. It feels cool. It's not amazing. It's not amazing quality. Let's see. Let's pop the phone in. Simple. I like that. That is matte black here, so you didn't get no fingerprints. I like that design right here. It's clean, I tell you that. Let's try the buttons. Okay, so this has more of a button vibe on the side. Let's get that phone clean. Ah, yeah. Let's check all the, yeah, everything looks good. Let's see, hitting the button. You know, I can't front. I might, you know, I've been rocking this one since I got it because that was just the first one I had, but I like this matte finish on the back. I think I like that way more. You get the B.A.N.G branding right here. You get that right there. I'm not mad at this. Y'all gotta let me know what you think, all right? I think this is the front runner, all right? Now I picked up 2 cases by MILB or MyLB or whatever. These are phone protection cases. Here, let's pop this open and see what they feel like. Okay, so this has the whole woven metal kind of feel or approach to it, but this is strictly a rubber plastic TPU case. You know, it kind of looks metalish and whatnot. Has the same kind of material here as the B.A.N.G one. Yeah. But here, let's take the phone out. Let's see. I tell you, they all fit great. They all fit great. If this was real metal, I probably would rock this. If this was like a real metal case with the real shine, I probably would rock this, you know, but you know, that weird, it's just a TPU rubber type case, which is probably what you want, you know, just in case of drops or anything like that. Phone feels pretty good in the hand. Let's see. The button the buttons are definitely on point. They're not mushy. You're getting good press on the buttons, which is important. You got all your ports here. I like that nice big size for your 3.5 millimeter jack. You can actually get a headphone in there, unlike some of the other ones where it's kind of small. You know, I'm not mad at this at all. Right now it's probably get that out of here. That's not. Right now it's probably a toss up between the B.A.N.G and this case right here. But we have one more. We have one more. This is another one from MyLB. It has some color to it. I was like, you know, I got this gold phone. Why not get some swag on my case and see what's up? Is this the same exact thing? It's the same exact thing. It is the same exact case, just in red. And it looked redder in on the picture. This kind of feels like pinkish, like, I don't know, like melon color. You know, it kind of looks orange on the camera, but in real life it kind of has like, see, this is orange. You know, this is more a pinkish melon type of color, off red. You see, I got the gold Mi A1. Let's slide that in here. Yeah, it feels the same. It feels the same. It is the exact same case as this one right here. You can see the same cutouts, same feel, everything, same look. It's just red. You know, if I just want to be out somewhere with a super red case and a gold phone, that's probably what I would do. I don't think I would ever really do that, but you know, to have that option is cool. All right, man, you guys gotta let me know which one you liked the most. I think I'm gonna rock this B.A.N.G case for a little bit. It would almost be dope if this case was white, but I think, you know, black with the gold accent from the phone, that matte black. I just love this matte on the finish instead of like, you know, this fake leather or this shiny fingerprint magnet or the fake woven metal on this. I just think that is definitely for me all day whatsoever. So you guys let me know what you think. Which one did you like the most? Which one did you like the least? And leave me a comment. I might give you one of these. If you want one of these, you know, let me know. Hit me up. We might be able to work something out. I'll send it to you. Who knows? That's if you're watching it. Show some love. I can't use all of these cases, So it's your boy Dookie. I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll get at you. Holla.